Restoring power takes careful steps and teamwork. It's more than just flipping a switch. When the lights go out, your Southside Electric Cooperative crews must assess damage, repair down lines and broken poles, and reconnect homes, businesses, and as many people as possible quickly and safely. Crews must first prioritize facilities critical to public health and safety like hospitals, police, and fire stations. From there, crews work to restore power to the largest number of homes and businesses before moving to individual homes and small groups of members. We start by checking high voltage transmission lines. These big lines carry a lot of power over long distances to substations. They rarely fail, but if they do, they need to be fixed first because they supply power to large areas and the most people at once. Next, crews check substations. Substations send power to thousands of people. Fixing problems here can restore power to large groups. If the substation is working, we check the main distribution lines. These lines bring power from substations to neighborhoods and groups of homes. Repairing these lines can bring back power to everyone they serve. Finally, we check smaller service lines. These connect power from poles or underground lines to homes and buildings. Sometimes an issue with the line going directly to your home can cause an outage just for you, even if your neighbor has power. If there is damage here, crews work to fix it, focusing on restoring power to the most people first. If an outage occurs, be sure to report it to SEC. You can call our automated system or text OUT to 866-878-5514 using the mobile number on your account. You can also report an outage on the Smart Hub mobile app or online. At SCC, your safety is our priority. We are here to get the lights back on for you.